day we met. Should've left your eyes on red. Was naive, wanted attention from your brown eyes, but there was somewhere else. I should've known, I should've known.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You know it's your girl Courageous K. If you're new to my channel and you like my content, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, click that notification down below so you don't miss an upload. And today I'm here with another crochet braid. Without further ado, let's get to it. The hair I'll be using today is Curlkalon, Toni Curl at the bottom, Saniyah Curl in the middle, and Kenzie Curl at the top. I'll be using 2 packs of each.
And how will we ever know if the love will ever grow without trying, without trying? And how will we ever see if we...
This is how the hair looks, guys. The Toni Curl is the smallest curl.
It's a losing game, it's a losing game. But this time it's more than another love war. This ain't the same, this ain't the same. They say love heals all, it makes it all alright. In time, in time. My heart still feels the breaking, but you make my world so bright. Feels so right, it feels so right. And how will we ever feel that what we've got is real? There's no denying, there's no denying. And how will we ever see if we are meant to be? It's terrifying, it's terrifying. And how will we ever know if the love will ever grow without trying, without trying? And how will we ever see if we are meant to be? It's terrifying, it's terrifying. That we're meant to be. We're meant to be. That we're meant to be. We're meant to be. I want you to show me how to get to know someone like you, someone like you. I want you to know me, 'cause I know then you'll see we could be true, we can be true. I want you to see what I see in us. Something so
Now I'll begin using the Saniyah Curl, which is the medium curl.
this is a love that we both feel, that we both feel. And how will we ever know if the love will ever grow without trying, without trying? And how will we ever see if we are meant to be? It's terrifying, it's terrifying. That we're meant to be. This ain't the same.
Now we're starting the Kenzie curl, which is the largest of the curls.
In time, my heart still feels the breaking, but you make my world so bright. Feels so right, it feels so right. And how will we ever feel that what we've got is real? There's no denying, there's no denying. And how will we ever see if we are meant to be? It's terrifying, it's terrifying. And how will we ever know if the love will ever grow without trying, without trying? And how will we ever see if we are meant to be? It's terrifying, it's terrifying. That we're meant to be. We're meant to be. That we're meant to be. We're meant to. I want you to show me how to get to know someone like you, someone like you. I want you to know me, 'cause I know then you'll see we could be true, we could be true. I want you to see what I see in us, something so real, something so real. I want you to see that this is a love that we both feel, that we both feel. And how will we ever know if the love will ever grow without trying, without trying? And how will we ever see if we are meant to be? It's terrifying, it's terrifying. That we're meant to be.
Now we're going to separate the hair.
We're meant to be. That we're meant to be. We're meant to be. We've both been there before. When a love shuts the door, it's a losing game. It's a losing game. But this time it's more than another love war. This ain't the same. This ain't the same. They say love heals all. It makes it all alright.